How to send message to a contact in Telegram app. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this video. Starting off, launch your Telegram application in your device. Now from here, locate the pencil icon which will be at the bottom in your right hand corner. Select on the pencil icon, then send the contact that you want to send a message for. Now right here, you'll be able to easily send them a message, stickers, GIF, emojis and more. For an example, I'll be choosing one of the emoji to send. Once you are done, just tap on the send option. Now you'll be able to send messages to your contact only if they also are present in your Telegram app. However, if you face a glitch or a bug issue regarding the process, press and hold onto your app and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next, exit from here and open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for Telegram in the search bar. In here, if there is an update for your application, you need to leave it for an update. If not, uninstall it. Final step is to check for your system update. Open up your setting and head to System Update. Make sure that your device is up to date so that it can support the latest feature. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.